on.
It's an agitator, actor, activist.
And he's on American Horror Story.
Yep. You know what? Here's my current thing. Here's what I'm doing. I got my Ray-Bans. I'm with Jay finally.
You know American Horror Story? The show?
I'm gonna ask this person not to destroy their cigarette if I may. No, I haven't heard of it. And I'm eating a cookie through your store for YouTube. Anyway, I was hearing about something about this activist as I'm eating this cookie through the store.
Stay tuned at 11 to find out more information.
No, there's more at 11.
We got an exclusive coming
Tomorrow or someday.
We got an exclusive coming up.
Oh, he was going for something.
It's going to be a whole expose. We need you to tune in Monday night at 8 o'clock.
Yep, you heard it.
Heard it first.
Monday night.
Anything else? After the Marlboro's the light coming.
Tomorrow.
Lights?
You guys gotta see what people do around here. That's for my Euro folks. Look at that. This is streaming.
Anything else?
I don't know if that works yet.
9:47.
What's tautology, you Catholic sociopath?
Look at these cute guys. Look at that guy.
She's nice.
Take a picture
On
of
that
that
corner.
guy.
No, she's better though. She's
Take a
crazy
picture
cool.
of that guy.
Yeah, look at this dude though. I was saying this chick's nice, too fly. I go with her.
I know. It almost seems like we could get
Look
like
at this dude.
We should get a women's shelter going.
Where the hell is this dude been? Let's see what the hell
We
fucking.
could get
You could take half a fucking class on the tattoos he has. We could have a fucking school on the meanings of his tattoos. You understand? There could be a 3-hour seminar on that shit.
Oh, fuck, I don't have my
Happy Valentine's Day. It's coming up quick, folks. Anyway. Have a good night. Stay safe.
Yeah.
And we exit. Hold on. EBT accepted. Anonymous store. You try to guess.